Hi, I'm Rachel. I'm the Homegrown gardener, and today we're out the front doing an update on the lettuce that I planted a few weeks back. The lettuce seeds that I planted were from seeds that I collected last year, and I wasn't sure how the germination would be because I never collected lettuce seeds before that. But as you can see, we've got great germination here, a little bit too good actually. So I've been thinning these out and planting them separately in some pots, and also spreading them out across the garden. For the ones where I'm pulling them out and damaging the roots, I'm just eating the lettuce, and for the ones where I'm able to take them out, then I'm replanting them. You can see here the lettuce seeds that I've collected, and when a lettuce or many other plants bolt or go to seed, they go up. They grow more vertically, so they sort of shoot up, and the leaves become more bitter to eat. So you can still eat them, but they become more bitter, and then they'll actually flower, and once the flower dries out, you can collect the seeds like these. So I've already been separating out and thinning some of the lettuce. These are some of the ones I did last week. And so these are able to be given away to friends or to neighbours, so I'll be moving those out. But as the lettuce has continued to grow, it needs further thinning. So I'm just going to do some more of these today, and just very delicately I'm going to find some that are close together and just try and tease out the plant, and not to damage the roots as much as possible. So very delicate, and hopefully I'll be able to pull one out with the roots still intact. Okay, so here's one. You can see that the roots are still here. So I'm just going to very carefully take another pot, make a hole in the middle, pop that in there, push the soil back around, and I'll give this a good water, and there may be some shock to the plant, but hopefully because the root system was still intact, that it will be able to keep on growing. Here's another lettuce that I've thinned, and as you can see, the root system is still intact, so this one should be fine when it's transplanted. Thank you for watching. I hope you've learned something about growing lettuce, thinning them out and collecting the seeds, and until next time, happy gardening.